Hey guys, here's a quick tutorial on how to mint one of our Golden Doobie Edition NFTs. As you see, you'll come onto the page and you'll have an option to connect your wallet. First of all, you're going to make sure to connect wallet. We do have some choices. We are just going to show how to do MetaMask for tutorial purposes, but you can use Wallet Connect, Coinbase Wallet, sorry, and then we're going to go ahead and click on MetaMask. Now we're going to make sure they're connected on the account. Sign in, connect. Now just one more thing so you can see. Always make sure, because we are minting off the Polygon-matic network. So in order to do this, this is a test collection that we're doing. So I'm just showing you just for tutorial reasons only. But what you will make sure to do is be on the Polygon mainnet matic account. As you can see right here. As you can see, this is our test collection, so it's telling us to switch networks to Mumbai, but you will need to make sure to always be on Polymatic mainnet. We'll go back to the test just to show for our test collection. As you can see, once you connect to your wallet, you can pick as many as you need to mint, and then the price is right here. Make sure you have enough funds, and then mint, boom, goes in your wallet. Thank you guys. Have a good one.